Welcome to the next tutorial in the series on creating a property inventory report using the Inventory Egg app. In this tutorial we're going to look at the health and safety section. In previous tutorials we looked at starting the inventory report, entering property information and choosing property type, then pre-populating the report with rooms and items. Then in a second video we went through the schedule of conditions section, so if you haven't already seen those it may be worth checking them out. Let's go to the health and safety section within that report, so we'll tap on the report to enter it, and then I'm going to tap on the top right hand menu to open the drop down, and there's second in the list there's the health and safety section. Okay, looking at the health and safety page, we have 8 subsections: smoke detectors, heat detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, fire extinguishers, fire blankets, electrical safety certificate, gas safety certificate and Legionnaires. Each of these sections is within an accordion menu which can be opened by just tapping the down arrow to the right of the subsection heading. So let's go into the smoke detectors section. So I'm going to tap on that arrow and there we have that section. You might also notice that in the header bar there's a question mark icon. This also appears on most pages in the app and indicates that there's some help information available that relates to the current page. So just tap that icon in the header bar and that opens the info page. It's by no means a long description, but if you are stuck it does give some useful prompts on using the functions on that page. So let's just tap to close that. Now within the smoke detector section you can see that we have 2 sets of yes/no buttons. There's a text field and then lastly there's a photo section. Let's start at the top. So smoke detectors on each floor. I'm going to go yes. Have they been tested? Yes. The text field can be used to enter any relevant information such as the location of the smoke detectors or more information on testing. Smoke detector is located beneath the kitchen units above the worktop. So that's fine. Let's have a look at the photo function. Let's just take a photo of that smoke detector. So I'm going to tap on the camera icon. And just underneath my kitchen unit, there it is. Photo has been taken. So let's close the camera. And let's just check that photo by tapping on the view icon. And there it is. That's fine. Let's move on to the next section. We'll go to the gas safety certificate. Gas safety certificate, yes. Let's set an expiry date. I'm going to set that to September the 14th. 2024. That's fine. We can also add a note and take a photo of the certificate. Taking a photo might be useful because it provides some evidence of existence of the certificate. Lastly, let's have a quick look at the Legionnaires section. Is there a Legionnaires help sheet on the property? Yes. We could also use the Legionnaires notes field to show the location of the certificate, and we can take a photo if we need. That's the end of this tutorial. In the next tutorial we're going to look at the services and utilities functions. To find that section, tap the top right hand menu and there we can see services and utilities. Thank you for listening. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our Inventory Egg YouTube channel.